Yeah, try to feed squirrels.
Sometimes she tried to grab two.
Or sunflower seeds. Probably the
That
better.
was funny.
Well, that's
She goes
nuts.
in there and the over there or something. It's funny when they carry Easter egg off and hopping along the trees and stuff.
I asked how his abduction went.
Hey, we can throw them. Right there.
I like that dog.
They
He
just
likes
hide
going
over in
to
the
the
eggs and
hospital.
they get the peanut. She knows because
He does it for his religious beliefs. Fairly
there's
Catholic.
a couple of holes, up in the Easter eggs.
He left me hanging. You see that now?
That was funny.
Today's adventures.
We went into Walmart. It was all good.
I told Silas about that earlier.
It was fine. We bought some
we got
shit and
followed
left.
around. We got followed around by security all the time.
But then I went back in by myself, and they're like, "Yo, you're trespassing. You're not allowed here. You know you." I'm like, "I've never been here. I'm not from here, so I'm just saying I don't know." They're like, "You can't go anywhere. Hold on." He's looking through the photos, and they were all just like.
Also, dude.
So if dude weren't like this for like 5 minutes scrolling through his phone, and then they were like, "You're good. You're good." Yo, can you keep it in until you get back? Yeah.
Oh no, that's really rice and squirrel.
Rice and a squirrel?
Right?
Yeah, it looks like rice and a squirrel.
Some creek action.
Or a beaver. Rice and a beaver.
Gold star.
Remember?
For the fridge. This is a squirrel.
You said you seen the... Okay.
Thought you took a video.
Me too, but he was too quick. He was too quick for us. Look at that's what I got. It's like it looks like a horse.
Before we hit the
That's a Bigfoot. He's got a missing link. Go back on like a dude this green. He's like the missing link.
what y'all calling the igloo van or whatever up here? Yeti.
Yeti. What do you think about Yeti? You don't like them, huh? Oh, I lost them all.
What do I think about Yeti?
Hey, yo, hold on.
Cause yeah, these type of things gonna happen out here. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so anyways, back to what I was showing you. I just had to make myself a little adjustments. Now we're back to business here with your boy Wiley in Alaska. 1995, 47,000 payments. It can be yours. Anyways. And let's go to the map. Map time, map time. Oh shit, can we drop the man? As my John Levy channel would say. Can we drop the man? Hey, do you know how to put the man down?
No, I didn't.
No idea.
Put the man down. Put the man down. Put the man down.
Well, like where to mark your spot?
Well, look at they used to park vehicles up in this bitch. What is that, a dumpster? Is that a shipping crate dumpster, or are you just happy to see me?
That's a garbage truck.
You a garbage truck, silly geese. Cackling from the west. Gray bar. Yeah, we got a gray bar right across the street if y'all are gray.
Looking for electrical equipment
So,
or materials.
Spinard. This is about the beginning of it. Goes Target, boop, boop, boop. South Restaurant Coffee House.
We walked all the way down C Street.
Taco Campbell. Peanut Farm. Lake Otis Parkway. And Alaska Native Center. That's where I went to the hospital the other day. Here. Botanical Garden. Bicentennial Park. And the Mud River. Or let's just zoom in and see what the natural river looks like. Hey, does this look natural? What's going on here? Why does it look like that?
It looks man-made.
Why does that look so natural? I love how it's got like copyright image tags everywhere throughout it, but no image of the. So, anyways, we got this great mountains back here.
The bitch pulled up in a Jeep.
Now, if you look right here, Flat Top Mountain.
Yeah, I fucked right there. 16 in good weather.
I bet he did. Now, all we have to do is walk over here and go to the camera, and Flat Top Mountain is right there. This is me, and this is the place. It's turning that beautiful color it always turns in Alaska. Golden shit, beautiful ass fucking color. And you could look at it if you like, or not if you don't. Okay, so back to these other photographs of things. Okay, so we're talking about the woods here. Squirrels, yes. Man, the resolution on these photos is shizit. Shizat. Okay, so this is a structure that's like built right into the woods, yo. Trash foundation. Shizit. Yo, yo, people over here. People over here. People over here. Valerie!
That motherfucker!
That motherfucker!
That motherfucker! Try to look at me like.
Who that is?
Fucking Dion!
Wasn't that the
Why
dude that...
didn't you just
The-
grab a handful of nuts, grab, twist, and pull? Do like,
No,
grab
I
'em.
wanted
Look,
to.
you
I
should like,
wanted
you should do like this,
to.
look.
And then what?
Oh.
And then what? And then what?
Then
I
you
would.
push them like this, look.
Bryce,
Boom.
what balls? Pretty sure Dion got some.
So fucked up.
Just balls.
Why'd you do that?
Both hurt.
She looked at me and said, "Why did you do that?" It's for my space broadcast. For space. But I make it on YouTube.
Yeah.
I make it on YouTube. I make it on YouTube big. Big. And here's the time for a chance for me to say you can send money to PayPal or Cash App that will be in the description below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I don't really have any other fancy shit to say. Okay, wait.
No, you gotta go like this walrus touch.
So then I'm gonna go here. A Frigidaire. One Frigidaire.
Hey, you might want to record that because you're going to hear me talk about someone painting some of their own intestines in the background.
I love it. It's fucking beautiful. Right? That's real life shit.
Watch. Juicy peach. Very fun.
Yeah, I just like walked around and snapped them.
Hey, you bird, knock it off.
Hurt your knuckle again. Last time you got hurt your knuckle, remember? Last time you hurt your knuckle.
No, you don't know.
Good boy.
It's a
I'm always nice to you.
Hell no. Lie like a movie.
Remember, alcohol. Remember, it doesn't mean it didn't happen.
No, I don't care. The hell?
I do.
No, can't do nothing.
I can't do nothing. All I have to do is ask Nancy, please don't do it again. Right? I can't do nothing.
Just for real, Daddy.
Right. I know, my mom was like, mother of baby.
Adios, amigo. Put you around. Alright, so I was gonna say that's the end of the video, but that's not the end of the video. Two tail switches. Let's go this side. It's a little bit more accessible on this side. Two tail switches to the left, and then we gotta check one more thing out on this part over here. Alright, this is the last 5 minutes of the scenario I've got here, so check
Can I watch it?
this shit out.
Oh, what? When was that? Oh, just right before you came back, huh?
Last night, actually,
was it?
at this exact time.
Oh, what?
23
Oh,
hours.
okay. That's cool. That's nice. Damn, you got a good phone, huh?
It's okay. There we go. There we go. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's my homeboy. That's my number one. That's my G right there.
Fuck yeah.
She's getting naked right there.
What
She's,
the fuck?
yeah, she's just like, oh my god, it's just you guys out here.
Usually seagulls like
fun.
fish, y'all. Usually seagulls like fish.
Yeah, we're weird. We're some weirdos
It
together.
is on Facebook, huh?
Yeah.
Cool, yeah, add me.
I'm taking a video right now of me watching this video so I can put it on my YouTube.
What the?
Oh, the airplane.
Yeah.
That was dope.
Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, yeah, right? That's
Yo,
it.
yo.
That was today?
So yeah, this morning, Monday today, we got important homeless business going on. Like oops. Look at the back of my coat. Yo.
That was this morning?
Last night, I think. No,
Oh,
this morning.
Sun's out. Yeah, sun's out.
Yo, good morning, Monday, people. We out here in front of El Jefe Taco Joint Ganja guys. Getting marijuana. We're getting one marijuana and definitely chilling out. Another rainy day, but we're Yep. Yeah, Home Depot. It's just right up the street.
Applebee's is right there to the left.
Yeah, somebody's gonna take us to Applebee's.
Alright.
This is right back behind here, flooded. When Campbell Creek is behind this building.
That's crazy.
Catch fish with the berries?
Yeah, because of the cover. And this cover was like a buck to them.
Hell yeah.
You sleep closer than
That was. Dirt? Holy fuck.
Isn't that so much people's garbage?
Fuck, yo.
The whole forest.
That's nuts.
I know. Just fucking
What
crazy.
the
I
fuck?
know.
What was in it?
Just back there, like
the
not that
fuck?
far. You could walk there in 10 minutes. It's just under the bridge. That's the first bridge to
Are you
the highway.
serious?
Yeah. And it's all through the whole thing. Like you can't even film it all at once. It's like so much, right?
Go lay down. He's worse than my girlfriend. I know how to handle you now. That's what it's like. Fuck that, you ain't about to play around. Someone stole my shit. It's that everyone. It's that you and him.
And then we both look over and saw it at the same time. Like, he's like, there it is.
That's what I was like.
Yeah, you're like, oh, there it is. I was just kidding. I was just gonna practice my stabbing. So we got Tweaker Village for a while. I already showed a lot of that footage. The gas station was the last one I think that. Yo, what up? We out here.
And he was, hey man, I got some blues. I was like, right on.
Trading for a skateboard?
I was like, I got a bunch of them. I was like, okay, what you want me to do about it? He was like, how many selling? I'm like, the fuck?
Right.
I was like, go ahead.
Nah, go ahead. If somebody else would maybe do it.
Alright. If I was gonna be able to make some money, but
Super fucking chilling, smoking, help girls out, pumping stuff. Yeah, and then you got the fucking people that creep on and bet on it. They were too. We're just going from across the parking lot to the other side. That's right.
you got it. I want to scream, help!
Wow, that's just great.
What happened?
Oh, this like
Fat old ass, huh?
I don't know. My Facebook being fucking gross. Hope I didn't get fucking. Okay, so
You're still videoing, huh?
yeah, that's my YouTube video. So thanks for checking in,
Join in next time.
and we're here. So this,
From Pimpology 101.
yeah,
Since you gotta live.
push down.
Right?
Best.